Hello everyone, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to see a very delicious paratha recipe, which is chicken paratha, which you can enjoy during breakfast, lunch, or dinner. So let's get started with the making of chicken paratha. So as you can see, I have taken here some minced chicken around 250 grams, and now into this I will add one chopped onion, 3 to 4 large garlic pods, finely chopped, some chopped ginger around 1 teaspoon, chopped green chilies according to your spice level, 1 small bowl of chopped spring onions, 1 teaspoon of salt for seasoning. I've taken here some spices like half teaspoon of roasted cumin or jeera powder, half teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon of kali mirch, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Now add the spices here. Next goes 1 teaspoon of refined oil. Now give this a good mix. And we will keep this aside for 10 minutes. In the meantime, we will prepare the dough for the paratha. For that, take a bowl and add 1 cup of wheat flour, half teaspoon of salt, and around 1 tablespoon of refined oil. Mix the oil and salt well with the flour so that they form crumbs. Now add lukewarm water bit by bit. And keep on kneading until you get a soft dough. After kneading for a while, our soft dough is ready. I will apply a few drops of oil to keep the dough moist. And now I will cover and let the dough rest for 10 minutes. Next, we will prepare the filling for the paratha. For that, heat a pan and add around 1 tablespoon of refined oil. Spread the oil evenly on all the sides of the pan. And when the oil is hot, we will add the marinated minced chicken into the oil. And we need to fry them on medium heat until the color changes. And now I will cover and cook the chicken for just 2 minutes. It's already 2 minutes. Let's check the chicken. By now the chicken is well fried. Finally, I'll be adding a small piece of butter. I will give this a mix so that the butter mixes well with the chicken. So our stuffing is ready. I'll turn off the flame and allow this to cool down slightly. And now moving to our dough, I will knead once and roll the dough and make small balls out of it in this way. Now take one small dough ball and with the help of a rolling pin, roll it gently in the size of a roti. This one is done. Similarly, I will roll one more dough ball the same way. I'll be adding now a small bowl of fresh coriander leaves into the chicken filling. Give this a mix, and now we shall start rolling our chicken parathas. Now take one roti and generously place the prepared chicken filling into it. Spread the chicken filling evenly on all the sides of the roti. Next, take one more rolled roti and place it on top. And now gently seal the edges firmly like this. Next, with the help of a rolling pin, roll the roti evenly from all the sides once. So rolling of the paratha is done. Next, heat a tawa and place the rolled chicken paratha into it. Once bubbles start to appear, we will add desi ghee on the sides. Flip the sides, applying ghee generously and pressing the sides. And we need to do this until the paratha is golden brown from both the sides. So as you can see, our chicken paratha is now ready to be served hot. Before serving, I will cut the chicken paratha into 4 equal parts so that you can see the inside of the paratha as well. So here you can see the chicken filling inside. So friends, do try this delicious chicken paratha recipe. Also share your feedbacks, and if you like my today's recipe, then do like, share and subscribe to Continental Desi Kitchen for more interesting recipes. See you soon again in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.